Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and I'm here to solve another question on SQL and today is day 40. So let's start. So the question that we are going to solve today is order details and this question got asked in Shopify and let's see what is the other company. It is Amazon. So let's start. So the question is find order details made by Jill and Eva. Consider the Jill and Eva as first name of customers. Output the order date, details, and cost along with the first name. Order records based on customer ID in ascending order. Okay. So we have two tables given here, customers and orders. Let's see what do we have in these two tables. So in customers table, we have ID, first name, last name, city, address, and phone number. And in orders table, we have ID, customer ID, order date, order details, total order cost. So what do we have to do? We have to print the order details, like we have to find the order details made by Jill and Eva only. Okay, so we have customer name in the first table and their order details in the second table, which is orders. Okay, and we have a column, common column that is ID in customers and customer ID in orders. Okay, so that we can join these two tables on this common column. Okay, and then we have to extract out order date, details, cost along with their first name. And then we have to order the records in customer ID based on customer ID in ascending order. Okay, so this is a very simple question. We just have to join these two tables and extract out the records. Okay, so let's start. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem. So I'm going to write select. Let's keep the column names for later. So from customers, C, join orders O on C dot ID is equal to O dot customer ID, right? Okay. Now, what are the column names that we want? So we want C dot first name. We want O dot order date. We want O dot order details. And O dot the total order cost. Right? This is what we want. So let's print. Let's see what is the output. So this is the output. We are getting first name, order date, order details, and total order cost. Okay. So we are getting, but in the question, it is mentioned that we have to find it only for Jill and Eva. So we have to consider these two customers only. So we have to put a condition here where C dot first name, we can use in operator and we can pass out all those names that we want. So we want Jill and we want Eva. Okay, now let's see what is the output. Yeah, so we are getting it for Jill and Eva only, right? Their order date, order details, and total order cost. We have to do one more thing. We have to order by C dot ID. Okay, because it is mentioned that we have to order records based on customer ID in ascending order. And by default, it is in ascending order, so we have to do this much only. So now we are getting the records. Okay, now let's see what is the expected output. So it is matching, right? We have this Jill, date is this, quote 25. Jill, date is this, quote and 25. On all the other records are also matching, right? So we got our output. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Now let's submit this solution to see whether our query is correct or not. Yeah, it got accepted, so it is correct. So it is a very simple question. I hope you understood it. We had two tables given. We just had to join those two tables based on the common column, that is customer ID. And we have to extract out the given columns and only for the customers Jill and Eva, and then sort the records based on the customer ID in ascending order. So this is what we did to solve this problem. I hope you understood this question. If you have any problem, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this question, you can put that too in comment section. I will see it. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.